PDP had demand for the review of Supreme Court judgment on Buhari's election. The party, in a thread of tweets on its Twitter page on Monday, February 24th, said it was making the demand following the application of the All Progressive Congress (APC) for the review of its judgment on Zamfara and Bayelsa states. The PDP wished to bring to the attention of the world that the APC is all out to destabilize our nation and destroy our hard-earned democracy. The time has come for all Nigerians to stand in unity to defend our nation and salvage it from political marauders and oppressive elements. Our nation is already aware of the desperation by the APC to annex the Supreme Court, subjugate and browbeat the justices, and direct judicial determination to suit their selfish ends. The public space is already awash with reports on how the APC has been threatening and piling pressure on the justices of the Supreme Court to force a reversal of valid judgment already delivered on the Bayelsa and Zamfara governorship elections, where the party suffered self-inflicted losses. Nigerians know that the APC has been going through a home rage since the Supreme Court delivered valid judgment on Bayelsa and Rivers State. As a result, they are no longer interested in the logic of this judgment, the party said. The party holds that the sacrifices for the sustenance of democracy, as demonstrated in the patriotic comportment toward the verdict of the court on the presidential election, as well as Osun, Kano, Katsina, and Kaduna governorship election tribunal, subsist. It further stated, moreover, there is a consensus among the majority of Nigerians and even the international community that there was obvious miscarriage of justice by the Supreme Court panel on the Imo State governorship election, for which the PDP accordingly reverted to the Supreme Court, asking it to correct the manifest mistakes and errors in that judgment, which are already in the public domain. The APC then, in its reaction to what the PDP have done, came out in a statement advising members of the PDP to take up farming to feel useful. The APC also noted that since the opposition lost the general election, that the party had been acting strange. I think this wahala is all self-inflicted and failure. There's always this saying that goes that wherever that there is no rule of law, that is an invitation to anarchy. And I believe that is where Nigeria is heading to right now. And it pains me most that the Supreme Court, that is supposed to be the last hope of the common man, have allowed themselves to be dragged into this battle. Now the APC and the PDP are on each other's throat. Everybody is seeking for a review of their case. And with what we just see right now and what I'm just seeing here and what we just heard, is that these people don't care about us. Because as they are scrambling and scrabbling for these things, I don't believe this for the people. Because if it's for the people, the will of the people should be respected. Because the people went, election was fixed, the people went and they've cast their vote, and now the Supreme Court is taking over that responsibility of the electorate by deciding who will be our leader. And now everybody, both the federal government, the APC and the PDP, instead of them to look how to solve our insecurity problem. Look, people are being killed every day in this country. Nobody talks about it. All what they talk about is politicking. Who will be this, who will be that, who will be this, who will be that. All those that have been doing, my question is, what have they done? Nigeria as a nation, we are still struggling for the basic things of life, like shelter, security, even common electricity. We are not, nobody's even talking about the road anymore because we are all used to passing the bad road. These are the little things these people should be talking about and stop all this fighting. APC today, PDP tomorrow. These people don't care and it's a shame and disgrace. My people, I will advise that you go to the comment section and make your opinion known and let's hear what you have to say concerning this. Don't forget to subscribe and to click on the notification bell icon for more information. Thank you.